Happy December! Well, we're a little early this month, but I had to get this unboxed so that you guys can see. Ipsy sent me over the December 2023 BoxyCharm X Ipsy box for unboxing. So let's check it out. The theme for the month is You're the Main Attraction. And this month they sent over like this little newspaper looking thing to give you the power picks, also some deals that's going on, and some save the dates. All right, first up is from Perlice, and this is the Kale and Vitamin K Exfoliator. One thing I like about this box is it does come with 5 full-size products, and this is number 1. From MOTD Beauty, we have these 5 eye brushes here. These are breathtaking. I love the color. It's like Christmas tree green. Sorry for the glare, guys. From Nip and Fab Renew, this is the Retinol Fix Blemish Gel Treatment. From Iconic London, this Enrich and Elevate Mascara. I love that wand. And lastly, from Il Makiage, this is a color quad palette in the shade Game Changer. And it's all shimmer shades. They're beautiful, guys. I love this color scheme. Ipsy did send over some gifts, this cute little bag here, and a pair of cozy socks, perfect for winter. And this is everything that I received in this month's box. I am pleasantly surprised. Very skincare heavy, but also a good amount of makeup and brushes. Love it. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.